Commissioner for Entrance Examinations Kerala has released the KEAM Application Form at cee.kerala.gov.in. Applicants appearing for the exam must check the eligibility criteria before filling the application form. The application process comprises registration, filling application form, payment of fee and uploading documents. The last date to fill the application form of KEAM is April 30. However, applicants will be allowed to upload the relevant documents till May 10. In this video, Careers 360 presents the step-by-step guide to fill the application form. Now, let's have a look at important dates related to the exam. Now, let's go through the steps to fill the application form. Candidates first need to visit the official website and click on the KEAM 2022 online application tab. The next step is to click on the registration tab from the home page. Read all the instructions carefully and tick on all the declarations as mentioned to proceed for registration. In the next step, candidates need to fill in the details in the registration form like mobile number, date of birth, candidate name, email ID and others. Applicants also need to create one login password for future reference. After successful registration, candidates have to log in using their application number and password as received on the email ID. After login, applicants have to select the paper they wish to appear for from engineering, architecture, medical and allied course or pharmacy. Candidates also need to fill the choices of exam centers. In the next step, applicants have to provide details like gender, Aadhaar number, father and mother name, district, occupation and others. Now, candidates need to enter the income details like annual family income, revenue district, village, office and others. In the next step, applicants have to fill in the reservation details in the application form. Candidates opting for reservation also have to upload the required certificates in the application form. After filling all the details, candidates need to fill the communal reservation details like community of father and mother and others. In the next step, candidates need to fill the educational qualification in the required fields. Applicants also have to mention whether they have appeared for KEAM exam previously. Now, candidates have to fill in the communication details in the required fields like house number, street name, PIN code, district and others. After filling all the details, applicants must preview the details and submit it. The next step is to fill the application form in online mode through net banking, debit card or credit card. Candidates can also pay the application fee through e-challan. In the next step, candidates need to upload the relevant documents as per the specifications. The final step is to preview all the details and submit the application form.